Hello and welcome to the Wallmantra show, where you get all the tips and tricks to decorate your home like a pro. I'm your host Harshita. If you want to make a fabulous first impression and also fall in love with the vibe of your home the moment you enter, then entryway is the space to focus on. Today we are going to talk about the tips for entryway decorations that will wow your guests. Your entryway is the perfect place to define your style. A grouping of picture frames can add some interest to the walls and make your entrance personal and homey. You can add a glamorous mirror just above the console table, hang some beautiful lights and a key holder. You can also keep a storage cabinet for your shoes or to hide cluttered objects. A neat and clean space is always welcoming and inviting. So keep your space clean by adding a classy floor runner in your passage along with a doormat at the entry door. So guys, that's all for today. For more professional tips, stay tuned to the Wallmantra show right here every Friday, Saturday and Sunday at 6 p.m. Bye.